Okay, so I just want to show you how to use Moodle. First of all, in conjunction with setting targets, so you've got your DIRT form like comprehension, recall, application. That's you fill in your table to work out what skills you struggle on. Then on your past paper, on the end of your exam wrapper, you need to set at least one, preferably 2 or 3 targets. So I struggle with application. What am I going to do about it? I'm going to practice a complete pack of application questions from Moodle. Where do you find them? So on this button here, you click on this, and then this table looks familiar. Each of these are clickable buttons. Click on application, click on which unit it's from. So if it's DNA application, you can click on that. That's the first thing. Second thing, you might struggle with a topic. So if it's a year 1 topic, click on this, and there's extra questions on top of the deal booklets for those topics. So if you struggled on general DNA questions as a topic, you click on Unit 1, extra questions, DNA, and then find the questions within there. That could be 2 things I'm expecting people to be doing when working on targets, either working on skills or working on topics and doing extra questions on those. Other things are that are set for DIL. Where do you find things? So past papers are often set for year 13 students. So all spec past papers, you can click on Unit 2, for example, if that's set. The QP is a question paper, the MS the mark scheme, so you can use those. How do you find your grade boundaries? Click on this button. So let's say AS is year 12 paper, A2 is a year 13 paper. So when was the exam? Let's say June 2013, and that was biology paper 2. Which wasn't available then. So let's say biology paper 2. Convert 1 mark, or convert multiple marks, sorry. And then on here, if you got 60 out of 85, it would have been an A, but your paper that you do might have a couple of questions removed. So if you convert 60 out of 85 to a percentage, and your paper to a percentage, you can work out what grade you might have got if you sat that paper that year. Other things are if you have so the deal booklets, the mark schemes are in here. So year 2, year 1, from there, that's the mark schemes for the deal booklets. Also, you might get set a year 12 CEDAR assessment to do. The CEDAR assessments are within there, the assessments are here, and the DIRT forms are the mark schemes. Okay, so that was for CEDAR assessments there. So hopefully, using that, you can sort of work on targets. Or the last thing I want to show you is the long answer questions in the front of your knowledge booklets. They've got long answer questions. Where do you find the mark schemes? You click on this button, long answer questions, and the mark schemes in there. So I can see that I still need to upload Unit 6, which should be on there. It has been done. So if you ever see anything that should be on Moodle that isn't, please send me an email to richard.white@nclt.ac.uk. It is important that you know how to navigate Moodle. Okay, so just to recap, that's for the skills. Find extra questions like application, comprehension, etc. That's if you want extra topics, questions for year 12. That's if you want extra topic questions for year 13. That's if you want the long answer question mark schemes. That's if you want year 12 past papers.